Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. The first thing that I would suggest is that you go into TikTok, tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And from there, you're going to tap on privacy settings. And you want to ensure that your account isn't private. As you can see, mine isn't private, it's turned off. A lot of times this tend to affect your likes, but anyways, if you have done that and you still don't see it working, if you have toodled with that and you still don't see it working, and you have closed the app completely and logged back in and you still see the same problem, I would recommend that you go into settings, then scroll down and select apps. After you have selected apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type TikTok. And from here, you want to select storage and you want to tap on clear cache and clear data. And after you have done that, you're going to tap back once. Then you're going to tap on force stop in the bottom right hand corner and then try again to go into the app and see if it starts working. Hope you found this video helpful on how to fix TikTok likes not showing.